Greetings. This tutorial will give you an overview of course management activities on the portal. In the course management area, you have multiple functions. First one is the news and announcements interface, where you can generate announcements visible to your students in the student portal. In the beginning of the semester, teachers are expected to complete their course website content, so that students are able to benefit from that in full. You must add basic course information and any additional information which you might like to share with students. The calendar of activities provides you with a space to define week-wise activities during the semester. You might also like to provide list of recommended reading using course books tab. You can also add the external website links for references of students. The most important part of course management is to define the grade points, which reflects the division of marks given against each set of class activities. In this screen, you can locate a predefined template recommended by the respective departments. Once you select a template, you can copy it as a draft. If the template suits your needs, simply finalize it. Otherwise, you can modify the individual components to your desire within the parameters given by your faculty. You might also like to define the number of best performances of student to be summed up in total. Once you have made any changes, you may not be able to finalize the grade points unless they sum up to a total of 100. After this, just simply finalize it. You can also add course material for additional help of your students of a course. You can also copy your course material from one section to another one. Throughout the semester, you need to evaluate your students through assessments. To create an assessment, choose the desired class activity from the list of assessments you created earlier. Name and code of assessment is generated automatically. Provide the total marks and key dates. You might like to add an attachment to the assessment also. Please keep in mind that the total marks given to this particular assessment will be mapped to the weightage of the assessment group initially defined. You can mark the visibility of an assessment for students when deemed appropriate. The gradebook is the place where you can assign marks for created assignments. This gradebook can be downloaded as an Excel file to be filled offline and uploaded back to the portal. Once you upload the Excel file, it might take a few seconds to upload and show the grades that you have been already added to the Excel file. If you desire to take submissions from students, you can generate an activity. You can also bind these submissions to labs in UCP. You can assign a certain date and time of the submission, and subsequently add an attachment thereon. Once the status is set to active, the students will be able to see the submissions. Otherwise, they will stay as disabled. These submissions will be responded by the students and you can review them later. Different reports are also available to give you additional information about your classes and students. Thank you.